this year, Chief Malam Zaki Sana Savannah Sakwacha 1. Osha in there, who say Chief Malam Zaki with the Muslim ko. In there and 10 o'clock, go online, Royal TV, go online, your live program against fraud guys. Or more, we used to be pictures, me videos, I go against some. Boss TV, Moya or more, we didn't call for videos, editing, every fraud for the Mesramo, moving your letters to see her. Or in Pancasa. I was saying, Moya, you never want to see the Bramo, see the one as a woman. No one is a program. Why say woman I didn't MP? Now, make us have a bit. Never I said, yeah, my number is 0242 70 80 68. 0242 70 80 68. And I said 02444 82 816. Send yes, I'm a man from 4. Baby, I will be a chief man of that to say, wait me up Fresica. Wait me up Fresica. I'm a scanner Abba Babia. Chief Zach Sakpacha 1, me say, met me ask me who I am. Nyame answer odi ani patimi saudi ya hwe ye na hwe channel yi ko Sakpacha TV e wo YouTube no so na ko subscribe me sraw wada wo ma muti na metra wa mekasa no wo hwe a wo ti mu say chief nyame ahira ndada o hempa e kasa ye wo kwa bebra ye de bo mo wo hia mo bible e bia wo hia do wo pese ye chichiro oba ma na be mama me sraw o fra me wo kwa mefa so aye side na mo anase uwa abrochire uhia loto number me okwa mefa so ayesa loto number no assign amount anase uhia bibi e bia lucky oton ade yeto uhu so yeto asika ne na ira ye ba hokura misraw friend me hu kwa mefa so abompa yabo amanyani ayu afim amawanya ne wo so ope ena yesa ewo bibi e fra say back to sender nipa bedi ubo na asan akọ so abusua no ya ja bibia monti ye town anasa wo ni bibia nso nema wo hyanti ye town me say for ho badane chief Malam Zaki Sakpacha 1 me na betimi ayamo ena yesa wo e bia uni animunyam uni law ye fra bibi favor uni spiritual favor utimi wo favors na uni spiritual favor ope oba na empel no say wo pe wasam so wo empel uni spiritual favor. It's a spiritual favor na was a enkasa sharp and never ma ni open na bom. Enti meka to say tuanamo be hwe Sakpacha ko Sakpacha TV na ko hwe na e kan. E bia open yin say and I say open akoda na say wonyim open say embo akoda no ho ban. Obi o ya send free ni ma biem ansa waba open ni na mesra obetimi afre Chief Sakpacha ko Chief Sakpacha e wo YouTube na ko hwe na embetimi aye. Meka sababe e na ye san hwa yo sika kwan e wo ho a ebetimi atena ha fresh sika ma sika be ba ma bia wo bia wo pese ye mfre ye fagu account mu wo pese ye mfre sika no bra ofie wo pese ye mfre no obi beje ma ne nyina agina wo so na ye ka se send sika bia nyame na wo sika ne ma wo send sika because of your own items eti ya hwiye na Chief Malam Zaki Sana Savannah Sakpacha 1 wo firi o ka to se akrofo no ko YouTube and I say Facebook na ko hwe omudi e wo ba bia omo use di no eti me body na e no chese akrofo no di na ye bebo no ye bebo akrofo no di wo ko Facebook na so ko ta ba wo be wo se omo nyina e wo omo use me pictures me video me access edit from them so be wo pictures different one na Chief Zaki ko me channel no so we tin ya me kana say me yo obi wo from Malam account to fraud Malam is a fraud Malam Zaki fraud Malam Sana fraud guy Malam Imusa fraud Baba Malam fraud Malam Powers fraud Malam Musa Powers fraud Baba Musa Alaji fraud Alaji Baba Wonder fraud Malam Prince fraud Malam Sedu fraud Malam Idrisu Powersman fraud Malam Powers Sana fraud Nana Malam Powers fraud Malam Rashid Powers fraud Malam Baba Powers fraud Malam Musa fraud Malam Kadir fraud Malam Powers Sana fraud Malam Al Hassan Malam Powers fraud Malam Prince fraud Malam Pasiki fraud Malam Powers fraud Malam Parku fraud Malam Mana Powers fraud Malam Zaku fraud Nana Malam Sika Powers fraud Nana Sika Powers fraud Nana Powers fraud Sika Malam fraud Malam Bahuma Powers fraud Malam Black Powers fraud Malam Isa Powers fraud Malam Powers Abdullahi fraud Malam Al-Hassan fraud, Malam Agbada Powers fraud, Malam Powers fraud, Malam Idris fraud, Malam Sika Powers fraud, Malam Ali fraud, Malam Hero Powers fraud, Malam Jesua fraud, Malam Jesua fraud, Malam Rashid fraud, Malam Black Powers fraud, Malam Adam fraud, Malam Hamza fraud, Malam Dauda fraud, Malam Pumaya fraud. They are here plenty. But what I want to give you a simple example. Go on YouTube and type Malam Powers fraud. Go and type Malam Powers. Only one. You will see them different people, different locations, different numbers. All of them claim is Chief Sakpacha. All are lies. All of them are fraud guys. They are using my pictures, my videos to fraud you guys. Shine your eyes. I want you to be my witness. So go and type it. I don't want to suffer mention all these names. There are almost 783 people in this 2020. Only this 2020. Let's bygone to be bygone. Please call me on 0242 708068 for more education or for more remembering. Chief Malam Zaki Sana Sabana Sakpachawan. Call me on video call. Know who you are talking to. Some of the fraud that go my channel or my page to go give stupid comment. You are fraud, you are this, you are this. No. You just be wise and know who you are talking to. Please be wise. Please be wise for your own sake. I'm here to tell you, the really Chief Malam Zaki Sana Sabana Sakpachawan. I will just end my program, but I want to do small action. To know the really Chief Malam Zaki, what God give me. Me pasa me ya bibi kaka na eche se nyanyame e dia cha me. Chief Malam Zaki Sana Sabana Sakpachawan. Ohia bibia enim yenkoda chami sika bi na waka se dia sika no ye dia no ye be chami consequence ye fancy chami. This is not about editing. This empty bucket. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya jas mustajisina agismi ya Allah kun fa yakun badi samawati wa azaka da amru fa inna ma yakun la kun fa yakun. Please, you can see it. This is the command. What's after again? Badi samawati wa azaka da amru fa inna ma yakun la kun fa yakun. Ya jas mustajisina agismi ya Allah kun fa yakun. Watch it. Ya jas mustajisina agismi ya Allah. Watch it. So I want to tell you, the really Chief Malam Zaki Sana Sabana Sakpacha. If you know and you come channel also, go and tap it. Sakpacha TV, you see what I can do for you. Chief Sakpacha TV. Chief Sakpacha TV. Go and search it on YouTube. You will see what I can do for you. I'm not here to talk much. But let's see something. If it is editing, you will know. But this is not editing. So let's see something. بديع السماوات والارض اذا كان امره فانما يقول له كن فيكون انما امره اذا اراد شيئا ان يقول له كن فيكون بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا جاس متجسنا اجسنا الله كن فيكون. I want to tell you the really Chief Malam Zaki Sana Sabana Sakpachawan. Yeah, but I'm creating no one say be editing and I say first is be editing an empty bucket. A empty bucket. Eti e kasa kaka na ya bibi kaka de no mo say nyese ye gay anu. Yes I bibi kaka. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tie ye o minya bosufo. Me fa mo de aduma. I don't use blood to do my work. Let's see something. Badi'u samawati wal ard idza kada amru fa inna ma yakun kun fa yakun. Where any editing no. Enyami achade. Enyami achade we enya bibi editing ya. No. We enya bibi ya. Enyami achade we dey tell you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Badi'u samawati wal ard idza kada amru fa inna ma yakun kun fa yakun. Wajin e fanya ne ya no. Eti nyame na bra join chat abin da nake ciki na wallahi ba za ka yi ka fahimci ba she baiwani wanga abu baiwani na Allah kawai ban so yi wani zance da yake dai ka wani halaka ko no ina so ka san kai ka doki na maka kira ni kan 0242708868 special Nigerians we hatara sosai ba she ka doki kafa ka zo gana ba da kai ka tura kudi ai maka aiki da kira kudi na abar kudi ya hiso da Qur'ani muke aiki da ayoyin Allah muke aiki ba da jini ba mu aiki da jini mu ba masu boka bane shekai da baka sa sheka siffata kan masu boka kuma ba kai ne Allah ba kuma ba za ka zama Allah ba ka fahimce ni kai naka ka bar na wani abin da baka sani bane saboda shi ina magana baka fahimta amma wata kila kai baka ga action da nayi nan ba ji ayin nan fa bismillahir rahmanir rahim bismillahir rahmanir rahim shi kuma ya ishe mu kudin nan ya faru to ji bismillahir rahmanir rahim baka fahimta abin da nake yin nan bai wani na Allah saboda ba za ka yi ka fahimce ni ba inda bai wani na mutum da ka fahimci abin da nake fari duba bismillahir rahmanir rahim ba mu so mu kira wani kudin da yake watakila pipes ka ce watakila editing ni ko fake money ko ka a'a ba mu aiki da fake. We are not working in we don't use fake to do our work. We are not doing editing, so it's not fake. Wonga baba to fake ake yi ba when you fake asem nyame acha de e bia o betro no aka say bia nke ye san frɛ e bia krata so na o hwɛ so ye ka say chief malam Zaki Sani Asaba na Sakwache wana won ti ase nna so do ki won the opportunity ka say kama be wani na Allah kawai bismillahir rahmanir rahim kandara yusha bismillahir rahmanir rahim kandara yusha bismillahir rahmanir kandara yusha abin da nake ba ka fahimta without 024278868 you see what I did now. I'm going to command people so that you know that really Chief Malam Zaki Sani Asaba na Sakwache and nyame acha de. This is the dollars. This is dollars. I don't want to talk much. Wherever you are, we can command dollars for you. Command safer. See them. This is safer. You know safer. Wherever you are, you know safer. This is safer. Safer. This is dollars. So the real Chief Malam that without 024278868 is fraud. 024448281. Go on my channel, Sakpacha, Chief Sakpacha TV. Go and check it on YouTube. Please, for your own sake, I want to tell you. If not, no one can help you in this end. So I'll end my program here. God will help you and protect you and save you. Say amen for your own sake. Bye.